Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss how to check whether two positive numbers are betrothed numbers or not. Okay, so what is this betrothed number? The pronunciation is a bit difficult, so I may pronounce it in wrong way also. Just consider the definition, okay? Because there is nothing to do with the pronunciation. Our intention is how to solve this problem, and the definition is two positive numbers will be called this betrothed number if they satisfy this criteria. That is, two positive numbers such that the sum of the proper divisors or divisors of each number is one more than or one plus the value of the other number. Okay, our task is to find these pairs efficiently. So what is that? If the definition is not clear, you just consider this example. Suppose 48 and 75 is a pair. Now you just consider the proper divisors of 48. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16 and 24. And you sum them up, you will get 76. Now if you consider 75, this number, that is second number of this pair, you will get the proper divisors of 75 is 1, 3, 5, 15, 25. And if you sum them up, you will get the sum as 49. Now see, if you add all the divisors of 75 or all the proper divisors, that is excluding 75, all the divisors if you add, you are getting 49, which is one more than 48. Similarly, if you do for 48, you will get 76, which is one more than 75. So this pair is called as betrothed pair. Now you read the definition, it will be clear. Two positive numbers such that the sum of the proper divisors means all the positive divisors excluding the number itself. Okay, proper divisors of either number is one more than or one plus the value of other number. I hope the idea is clear. Now our intention is to write a code such that it will check whether two input numbers are satisfying this property or not. Okay, how to do? Very simple. Use one for loop and store or add all the proper divisors of a number in one variable. Same do for other, and then you just check using if else condition whether this property is satisfied or not. Like that we will proceed. Okay. So first x equal to input, then enter the number. Okay. Then y equal to input, then enter the second number. Okay, sorry, yeah. So now we have taken first two input in numbers. Now we have to add all the proper divisors of x and y. So we can use one for loop for x, one for y. For I equal to 1 colon x, I will start from 1 and keep on incrementing x, but whether it is correct? No, because up to x, if it goes, then x obviously divisible by x. Obviously one number is divisor of that number itself. But our intention is to check all the proper divisors so that we can write x minus 1. Okay, so for I equal to 1 colon x minus 1, if remainder of x divisible by I equal to 0, that means I is the divisor of x, we can do c equal to c plus I. Okay, that is, in c variable we are storing and basically we are adding all the proper divisors of x value. Just copy the same thing and paste here, just change the variable accordingly. Now let me define d equal to 0 for storing all the for addition value of proper divisor of y. So here remainder of y comma I equal to 0, and here this will be d equal to t plus I. Okay, so this is the code. Now in c and d we have to check this property. If c equal to, see what is the property? Addition of all the proper divisor is 76, that is one more than the previous number, one more than the other number 75. Okay, so here we have to do if c equal to y plus 1, because c is the sum of all the proper divisor of x, so c should be equal to y plus 1, and then d equal to x plus 1, then display yes or else display no. Close this in this loop. Okay, so now let us check. It's time to verify whether our code is working or not. So inputs let us give us 48 and 75. So 48 and 75. See, some parenthesis problem is there. Okay, so let me check here. Name of x, okay, two parentheses I have given here. This is wrong. Delete one. CLC Control A. Evaluate selection. What are the two numbers? 48 and 75. So one is 48, another one is 75. This is showing some error. Invalid expression. Why I have removed? Okay, here one more will be removed. Then CLC again. Let us check. 48 and 75. See, yes, this is following the property. Let us check for other case. Suppose you can check by yourself also that 140 and 195 also satisfies this property. So 140 and 195. Yes. Suppose let me check. Suppose we can easily check 3 and 5, right? So 3, the proper divisors of 3 is only 1 and proper divisor of 5 is also 1. So they are not following this property. So let us check 3 and 5. See, no is printing. So our code is perfectly working. Now from this MATLAB idea, let us try to implement the same concept in Java and let us check whether we can write some code or not. So we'll follow the same algorithm. So first what we have done, we have taken input. So for that, first import the scanner class from the util package in Java. Import java.util.scanner. Okay, then class feed. Okay, then let me give vi only. Then public static void main string argument. Okay, then create the object in the scanner class. So scanner obj equal to new, creating the objects new scanner system dot in. Okay, then system dot out dot println enter the first number. Okay, then int, what variable we have used here? X. Let us use the same. X equal to obj dot next int. Okay, then in second variable. Okay, so let me copy the same and paste here. For y, here it will be y, and here instead of first, here it will be second. Enter the second number. Then what we have defined, c equal to 0, d equal to 0. Then c equal to 0, then d equal to 0. Then what we have used, one for loop. So for int I equal to 0, I equal to 1. In MATLAB, the loop was from I equal to 1 to x minus 1. I equal to 1. I less than x we can write, or I less than or equal to x minus 1 also you can write. So let me write that one. So that in MATLAB and Java same thing is applicable. Let me show you. Then I plus plus, then for loop open, if remainder of x comma I equal to 0. So very easy. If x mod I equal to 0, then what to do? C equal to c plus I. C equal to c plus I. Okay, bracket close, one for if else, one for loop. Now just copy the same code and paste for another pair. Okay, so for int I equal to 0, here it will be y minus 1. Here if y here y you haven't, this is y. Okay, and here it will be d variable. Okay, D equal to D plus I. Now what we have done here, if condition, then C equal to y plus 1, and then D equal to, you can give inside one bracket or your choice, there is no issue in that. Then system dot out dot println the, okay, let me write in small, yes, okay, or else system dot out dot println, no, bracket close for else, bracket open for else, and here one bracket close for if, here one bracket close for public static file main, one for class. Let us check whether our code is working or not, and if some error is there, let us try to modify it. So go to command prompt, cd java c pi dot java. See, no error. Let us check our code gives proper output or not. Java bi, enter the first number. What was that? 48, and next one is 75. So let us give 48 first and 75 second. See, yes, the code is working. Now let us give for 3 and 5. See, no, this is not following this property. You can give for this 140 and 195, which follows the property. Yes, it's working. Okay, so our Java code is also perfectly working. See what I have done. Just algorithm is same. Whatever I say always, like in my previous videos, if you know how to write one program, what is the algorithm, then you can write in MATLAB, Java, C, C++, Python, whatever according to your choice. Just you should know the basic syntax of that language. Okay. See, same program I have implemented in Java also. Okay. Nothing else. Just algorithm is same only. This is the Java code, and I will post the two codes in the this Java code. I can post in comment section because I have used angle brackets. Probably in MATLAB also I have used, whether I have used, no. The MATLAB code can be given in the description. I will post that, and for Java code you can check in the comment section, because in description only angle brackets are not allowed. Okay, so that this is all for my this video. If you are unable to understand any part of the code, please ask in the comment section. Okay, thank you for watching.